Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. Today I'm showing you my everyday 15-minute makeup routine. It's super easy. It literally takes me 15 minutes or less sometimes. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because I'm gonna try to post consistently. And if you want to see how I did this makeup, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I do after my moisturizer and sunscreen is I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. I do this before all my other makeup because I like it to have time to set. And then I also take the Milk Hydro Grip Primer for my skin if I'm gonna be out for a while. So I just put that where I'm gonna put my concealer, so just under my eyes, and then just on my forehead on my spots, because I'll be wearing a mask my whole shift, so I don't really need to worry about the other areas. I'm also adding some chapstick, and then I just try to get that to dry. And then I'll add, I think this is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I really don't know if it's my color. I've had this for a long time, as you can see. And then once that's blended, I'll just do whatever spots I have. Again, wherever my mask isn't gonna be, because I don't like putting concealer if I'm gonna be wearing a mask all day, because I feel like that's just a breeding ground for acne. The next thing I take is my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the same shade as the concealer. I'm not too fond of this product, but I feel like with oily skin I need a loose powder. I don't really know. And I also use this to set my primer for my eyes. And then I'll take my butter bronzer from Physician Formula and just do a light sweep of my cheekbones. Once again, because they're mostly covered. Maybe the remainder up there. That's it. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to take the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Neutral Brown. And I'll just do a light kind of shaping of my brows. I don't know. My brows are kind of do their own thing on a weekly basis. That's all I do to fill them in. I'm still petrified of ever doing my eyebrows dark from my dip brow stage in life. But then I take the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. I don't know, it's almost out, so I don't think it does anything. And I need to get a new gel because I wasn't a fan of this one. But then I just comb the hairs. Now for eyes, I'm literally just taking my Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. You just need a black eyeshadow. So I take the black shade and then a thin liner brush, and I'm just gonna do a small wing on the outside of my eye. So I only put the shadow halfway because I feel that's just how it looks best on my eye. And then I take my e.l.f. like liner and I'm gonna line my tight line or lash line, tight line, same areas like where my shadow was. So again, like not all the way. After I line everything, I'm gonna add mascara, but first, obviously I have to curl my eyelashes. And the mascara I'm gonna use is Lash Princess by Essence, and it's the false lash effect one of that like line they have. And then if my lashes are like clumpy, I'll take a sage pen and separate them. I know that's weird, but works for me. And then obviously I clean the excess mascara off my eyelids. And then the last thing I do is I will set it with my One Size Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. It literally just feels like you're blowing air on your face. Like, I love this. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.